Presentation on respiratory system by Mr. Peter Mayfred Aban. What is respiratory system? A respiratory system is a system which is responsible for the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between the cells in the human body and the atmosphere in the environment. The respiratory system consists of several organs that come together to perform its function. The following are the organs in the respiratory system: nose, nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchiole, ribs, lungs. The last one is diaphragm. Structure of the respiratory system: nose, nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchus, bronchiole, alveoli, right lung, left lung, ribs, diaphragm. We are learning the functions of the organs of the respiratory system. The first organ is nose. The nose is the entrance for air into the respiratory system. Nasal cavity. Nasal cavities are the holes in the nose. The nasal cavity is lined with mucous membrane and cilia to filter air, trap dust, and bacteria. Cilia is a tiny air-like structures in the nose. Ribs. Ribs protect the lungs and aids breathing. Still on the function of the organs of the respiratory system. The next one talking about is pharynx, also known as throat. The pharynx is part of the alimentary canal and the respiratory tract, which extends at the back of the mouth and the nasal cavity. It allows the passage of air from the nasal cavity to the larynx. Larynx, which is also called voice box. The larynx is responsible for producing sound. It also closes off the airway during swallowing of food to prevent the food from entering the lungs. The next organ, which is trachea, it is also called windpipe. The trachea is a tube-like structure that connects the larynx to the bronchi. It contains cartilaginous rings that keep it open to allow air to pass through. Still on the functions, bronchi. The bronchi is the branches of the trachea. Each bronchus is leading to each lung. A single bronchi is called bronchus. The bronchi further divides into bronchiole. Alveoli. The alveoli are the tiny air sacs at the end of the bronchioles within the lungs, which allows gas exchange to occur. Lung. The lungs are found in the chest cavity, which is composed of spongy and elastic tissue, which is responsible for gas exchange. Diaphragm. The diaphragm is a muscle that separates the chest cavity and abdominal cavity. It plays a vital role in breathing through contraction and relaxation. The contraction of the diaphragm makes the diaphragm move down while the chest cavity expands, causing inhalation. The relaxation of the diaphragm makes the diaphragm move upwards, causing